So this is actually video number 3 on how to build your online marketing business system. So if you're a PT or you have an offline gym, maybe you're an online coach. I've been there before. I've been in your industry since 2012, and I know that 2020 has been, in particular, very hard for us right now. You might have just reopened your gym, which is great. However, you might be back to that same problem you had before, like where are my leads going to come from next? Because you've exhausted the flyering, you've exhausted the word of mouth, you've exhausted posting forever on all those social media platforms, and you know that your time and energy going to those types of strategies are not really getting you the return that you're really hoping for. And this is what this video series is about, and in particular this video is about your daily targets. So we've gone through the offer. Feel free to ping back to video 2 of 30, the last one we did, and we've spoken about the importance of your front end offer. It's not so that you make money from your front end offer. Remember, throughout this video series we're learning how to build a very robust, reliable and sustainable break-even back-end model which gets you the high quality leads and clients into your business. So if you've been following me already, you have your offer, you know exactly what this process is going to be about, and today we're going to be talking about daily targets. So if you're still interested and you're here, then brilliant. More to follow after this. Okay, welcome back, you driven business owners, as this channel is all about helping you learn how to generate the high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm. If you're brand new and you've already liked what you see and you want to maybe enter the contest that I have, every week I offer to 3 people my business bundle, which includes a lead generation fix service, a business survival kit, 2 free trainings, along with also a funnel, a done for you funnel if that's where you're at. So it's great to have you here, and this video is number 3, and we're going to be talking about the daily targets. So in the last video we should have already spoken about your offer. You already have an offer in place, you have a program in place. More likely it's going to be between 4 and 6 weeks. It's going to be in the price point between £197 and £500, let's say, and you know how many sales that is per month, each month. So this is going to hone in a little bit sort of closer into the daily targets. So let's just say we work on the format of, you've got a 4-week program at £197, that's 25 sales a month. Let's say you like working 5 days a week, in hindsight that's like 1 to 5 sales per week. Let's say you need to get a sale every single day in the week. So Monday to Friday you bust your gut out to get that sale in. There are other ways that we can do this organically, which I'm going to be talking to you about in another video in this video series. But again, we're also creating this machine. So when it comes to Facebook ads, you might already have dabbled in Facebook ads already, but you need to try and change the way you look at Facebook. You might be sitting there thinking, I've already tried Facebook and it hasn't worked before. And I get that, I've been there. I think since 2012 I've had quite a few stints, a few periods, a few eras where I've put money into Facebook, really didn't know what I was doing. It wasn't in a methodical type way. It was just like, here's a promotion, I put money behind it thinking it was going to work, and I was quite naive really on how to use Facebook ads. I'm not discounting Facebook at all, because once you realise that Facebook is just like adding petrol to a turbo on in a car engine, you need to have like a system in place in order for the system to work. Facebook is good when you have everything else in place. It's like the final piece of your system. But let's just say we are investing, not spending. We'll be careful of the words that we choose here. But investing, let's say £30 a day into Facebook ads. If that made your stomach turn, don't worry, because I'll explain right now. £30 each day, and let's say you do that for 3 days, so you end up investing £90 over 3 days, but then you get a return of 6 leads coming back to you that are quality leads as well, and you convert 2, and let's say you're £197 per 4-week programme, that means you've made £394. So this is how we use other people's money, because then you have £394 to put back into the system to continue with your system working. And remember, we touched up briefly in the previous video, we are making or creating the break-even back-end model, and the money is in the back end, so in the long-term value of your customer. So if you have a long-term value customer of 6 to 9 months, that is where you make your money. So even if you break even off the front end, you don't make any profit, you have still won at this machine that we're building. And that is essentially what we're doing. So our aim is to get 25 sales per month. We are wanting to get 5 sales per week. And if you want to break it down even more, that is 1 sale a day, Monday to Friday. And that there is your KPI. And when it comes to Facebook money, you're not spending money, you're investing money into your already made business system that we're building throughout these 30 videos, these 30 video series. And we're learning the process. So we're going to be basically investing into data, because we don't really know what's going to work or not until we start going live with your campaign, your adverts. But that is exciting. That's where predictability comes, that's where scalability comes as well. But this is essentially what we're doing. So that is your daily target, that is your KPI. So it might be a little bit different if you've chosen to do a chain, if you decide to do a different price point, but that's where we are, that's your daily target. So I hope that made sense. Let me know what your daily target or per sale will be over the week or the month. Let me know what you thought of this video, if you're still with me in this video series. This is actually the first series that I've done. I am using a live example throughout this series. His name's John, he's one of my clients. So I can give you an insight as to what I do with my clients in order to help them get results in their business. If you haven't got the patience or you just want results quicker, then I do offer a 2-week free trial. I actually set up everything that we're going to be walking through in this video series. I set it all up for you, and if at the end of the 2 weeks, using 200 investment from your side into Facebook, if I don't get any results for you, then we won't have a normal conversation. But I am a results driven based coach. I'd only work with people that I can get results for. So if in the 2 weeks you like what you see and the results that we've got, then we can obviously talk further into other services and how we can work together. But they're the options. Feel free to hit the link below as well in this video. It will bring up all the free trainings that I have. You can book a call with me should you wish to. I also offer online courses. I've got 3 in there. I've got 3 awesome courses on there, that's it. And what else have I got? Oh yeah, people starting to really ask me questions about this sort of challenge that we're doing, this 30 video series. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to ask you if you want to join the Quality Client Generation Facebook group. The link is in the description box below as well, or just follow the link and you'll be directed to there. And that's where I can be more present in that group. I've got more of a chance to open or answer your questions better than relying on YouTube. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. Remember that I'm a big believer that your business is an extension of you. So it's all about how you feel when it comes to thinking about your business. If you've got some worries or fear around money, I offer meditations. There's a lot of mindset stuff as well that I've included in my channel as well. So I want to help you guys. We're all here to make an impact in this world, and this is what the channel is all about. So yeah, more to follow in the next video.